Ready to take your kitchen to the next level? Today we're uncovering 15 TikTok viral kitchen hacks that are taking the internet by storm. From clever storage ideas to time-saving gadgets, these hacks will make your kitchen more organized, efficient, and fun to use. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Nest and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest Amazon finds, smart kitchen hacks, and trending ideas. Now, let's jump right into number 1. Teaforo Compost Bin. The Teaforo 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin is the perfect solution for anyone looking to keep your kitchen fresh and clutter-free. Compact yet spacious, this bin fits easily on your countertop or neatly under the sink. With its secure lid, unpleasant odors are locked inside, keeping your space clean and comfortable. Its mountable design makes it incredibly versatile. You can hang it inside a cupboard, use it in the bathroom, or even take it on a camping trip. The sleek gray color blends seamlessly with modern home decor, making it both functional and stylish. Lightweight and durable, it's designed for everyday use and easy cleaning. If you want a simple way to reduce food waste, keep scraps contained, and maintain a tidy kitchen, this compost bin is a must-have. It's eco-friendly, space-saving, and built for small homes, offices, or anyone who wants to start composting indoors. Number 2. Simple Taste Milk Frother. Enjoy barista-style drinks at home with the Simple Taste 4-in-1 electric milk frother. This powerful yet compact device creates warm froth, cold froth, steamed milk, or simply warms milk with a touch of a button. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and hot chocolate, it brings a coffee shop experience right into your kitchen. Its sleek design fits easily on any countertop and makes it an excellent choice for small spaces. Operating it couldn't be simpler. Just add your milk, press the button, and let it work its magic in seconds. Cleanup is also quick and hassle-free, saving you time every day. Whether you prefer rich, creamy foam for your morning coffee or chilled froth for iced drinks, this frother delivers consistent results. Quiet, efficient, and easy to use, the Simple Taste Milk Frother is an essential kitchen upgrade for anyone who loves cafe-style beverages without leaving home.
Number 3. Lodge 6-quart Dutch Oven. The Lodge 6-quart enameled cast-iron Dutch oven is a true kitchen essential, built for both everyday meals and special occasions. With its heavy-duty cast-iron construction and vibrant enamel coating, it combines durability with style. This Dutch oven is designed to heat evenly, giving you perfectly cooked soups, stews, breads, and roasts every time. Safe for oven use up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and suitable for stovetops, it offers incredible versatility. Its dual handles ensure safe and easy lifting even when full, while the tight-fitting lid locks in flavor and moisture. The generous 6-quart capacity makes it perfect for family dinners or gatherings. The bold blue enamel not only resists stains, but also looks stunning on the table, doubling as a serving dish. Easy to clean and long-lasting, the Lodge Dutch Oven is a timeless piece that belongs in every home kitchen, combining function, beauty, and tradition. Number 4. Mueller Vegetable Chopper. Say goodbye to tedious prep work with the Mueller Ultimate 12-blade Vegetable Chopper. This all-in-one tool slices, dices, chops, grates, and even spiralizes your veggies in seconds. With 12 interchangeable blades, it gives you endless possibilities for salads, stir-fries, and meal prep. Perfect for busy families and healthy eaters, it saves both time and energy in the kitchen. Its sturdy base and secure grips keep it steady while you work, so you can chop with confidence. Cleanup is simple thanks to its compact design and easy-to-remove parts. Whether you're prepping onions, tomatoes, zucchini, or cheese, this chopper delivers consistent, even cuts every time. The sleek black design looks modern and fits nicely in any kitchen. Durable, versatile, and user-friendly, the Mueller Vegetable Chopper is an essential tool for making cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. It's a true game-changer for anyone who loves fresh meals.
Number 5. Stasher Silicone Storage Bags. Ditch single-use plastics for good with Stasher Premium Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags. This eco-friendly 3-pack is perfect for packing lunches, storing leftovers, or keeping snacks fresh on the go. Made from high-quality BPA-free silicone, these bags are safe, durable, and 100% reusable. They seal tightly to prevent leaks, keeping both solids and liquids contained without mess. The clear design makes it easy to see what's inside at a glance, while their versatile size works well for sandwiches, fruit, or even marinated foods. Best of all, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and convenient. These bags are not just great for the kitchen, they're also perfect for travel, organizing small items, or packing kids' snacks. By switching to Stasher bags, you save money over time and help reduce plastic waste. Functional, stylish, and environmentally friendly, they're the smarter way to store food and live sustainably every day. Number 6. Zulai Milk Frother Wand. Upgrade your morning coffee routine with the Zulai Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. Compact yet powerful, this handheld frother creates creamy, Cathay-quality foam in seconds. Powered by 2 long-lasting Duracell batteries, it's always ready to whip up lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot chocolate with ease. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable to hold, and its ultra-fast whisk operates quietly, making it perfect for early mornings. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse the whisk underwater and you're done. Sleek in midnight black, this frother looks stylish in any kitchen and takes up almost no counter space. Whether you want to impress guests with barista-level drinks or simply enjoy a foamy latte at home, this makes it effortless. Affordable, efficient, and reliable, the Zulay Milk Frother Wand is an everyday essential for coffee lovers who want quality and convenience in one simple tool.
Number 7. Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Bring the fun of homemade desserts into your kitchen with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. This innovative machine creates creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and milkshakes at the touch of a button. With 7 one-touch programs, making delicious frozen treats has never been easier. The compact design fits perfectly on countertops, and the included pint containers with lids make it simple to store leftovers or prep flavors in advance. Kids will love mixing in their favorite toppings and creating unique combinations, making dessert time interactive and fun. The stylish rose gold finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while its easy-to-clean parts save you time afterward. Whether you're craving a smoothie bowl, a rich gelato, or a milkshake, the Ninja Creamy delivers consistent, delicious results every time. It's the perfect appliance for families who love fresh, customizable frozen desserts at home. Number 8. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler is more than just a water bottle, it's a lifestyle essential. With a 30-ounce capacity, it keeps your drinks icy cold or piping hot for hours thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation. The innovative Flow State 3-position lid lets you choose between sipping through the straw, a wide-mouth opening, or a fully closed lock to prevent spills. Its built-in handle makes it comfortable to carry, while the slim base is designed to fit perfectly in most car cup holders, making it ideal for commuting, traveling, or gym sessions. The BPA-free stainless steel build feels solid and safe, while the frosty finish gives it a fresh, modern look that stands out. Whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or just staying hydrated at home, this tumbler combines convenience, durability, and sleek style. It's no wonder the Stanley Quencher has become a fan favorite everywhere.
Number 9. Lodge 3.6-quart Oval Casserole. The Lodge 3.6-quart enameled cast iron oval casserole is a versatile all-in-one cookware piece that every kitchen needs. With its timeless oyster white finish and sleek oval shape, it looks elegant both on the stove and on the dinner table. But this casserole dish isn't just about style, it's built for performance. Made from durable cast iron with an enamel coating, it heats evenly and locks in flavor. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees F, making it perfect for roasting, baking, marinating, or simmering. The dual-side handles ensure a secure grip even with oven mitts, and the enamel surface makes cleanup quick and simple. Whether you're preparing hearty casseroles, roasting vegetables, or baking bread, this dish delivers consistent results every time. Functional, stylish, and built to last, the Lodge Oval Casserole is a cookware investment that adds beauty and performance to your kitchen for years to come. Number 10. StirMax Deluxe 7.5-quart Multicooker. The StirMax Deluxe Multicooker is like having a personal chef in your kitchen. With a large 7.5-quart capacity, it's perfect for family meals, batch cooking, or entertaining guests. The standout feature is its automatic stirring paddle, which continuously stirs and even shreds food for you, no more standing by the stove. With 9 programmable presets, it lets you sauté, sear, brown, simmer, and slow cook with the touch of a button. You can create soups, stews, tender meats, and shredded dishes without babysitting the pot. Its sleek black design looks modern on any countertop, and the included skillet, accessories, and cookbook add extra value. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its removable dishwasher-safe parts. For busy families or anyone who wants to save time without sacrificing flavor, the StirMax Deluxe Multicooker is a total game-changer, making delicious home-cooked meals faster, easier, and smarter.
Number 11. E-Tech City Smart Food Kitchen Scale. The E-Tech City Smart Food Kitchen Scale takes healthy cooking to the next level. With precision measurements in both grams and ounces, it ensures your recipes and portions are always accurate. But what makes it truly unique is its smart connectivity. It syncs with a free mobile app that tracks 19 key nutrients, including calories, protein, carbs, and more. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone managing their diet, counting macros, or trying to lose weight. The premium stainless steel surface not only looks sleek, but also wipes clean easily after use. Supporting up to 11 pounds, it handles everything from small snack portions to larger meal prep. Compact yet powerful, it fits neatly into any kitchen setup. Whether you're a home cook, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who wants more control over nutrition, the E-Tech City Smart Scale makes eating healthier simple, precise, and effortless. Number 12. Flyrasol Olivia Oil Sprayer. The Flyrasol Olivia Oil Sprayer is the modern, healthier way to cook with oil. Unlike traditional pour bottles, this sprayer delivers a fine, even mist, helping you control portions and reduce excess oil while still enhancing flavor. Its 200-milliliter glass bottle keeps your oil fresh and free from chemicals, while the continuous spray design ensures smooth and consistent coverage, perfect for salads, grilling, roasting, or air fryer cooking. The green bottle with gold print adds a stylish, elegant touch to your kitchen counter, blending practicality with beauty. Easy to refill and just as easy to clean, it saves both time and waste in the taking. Whether you're prepping for a barbecue, cooking everyday meals, or simply watching your calories, the Flyrasol Oil Sprayer is a smart upgrade. It's a simple tool that encourages healthier cooking without sacrificing taste or convenience.
Number 13. Kuhn Recon Garlic Press. The Kuhn Recon Epicurean Garlic Press is a small tool that makes a huge impact on your cooking routine. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this garlic press feels sturdy, looks sleek, and is built to last. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it effortless to crush garlic cloves with minimal pressure. Unlike cheaper presses, this one extracts every bit of garlic, giving you maximum flavor without the mess or waste. Cleanup is quick and easy since the press opens wide, allowing you to remove leftover bits without hassle. Whether you're whipping up pasta, stir-fry, or roasted vegetables, fresh garlic elevates the flavor, and this press makes it simple and fast. No more smelly fingers or tedious chopping. Compact, durable, and incredibly efficient, the Kuhn Recon Garlic Press is the kind of kitchen tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Number 14. Waihong Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. The Waihong Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack is the ultimate space-saving solution for modern kitchens. Designed to sit perfectly over your sink, it provides a sturdy surface for drying dishes, cups, utensils, or even fresh fruits and vegetables. Made with durable, rust-resistant materials, it's strong enough to handle pots and pans without bending. When not in use, simply roll it up and tuck it away. It's compact enough for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. Its gray finish blends easily with any kitchen style, adding both function and a clean, modern look. Water drains directly into the sink, keeping your counters dry and mess-free. Easy to clean and quick to dry, this rack is a low-maintenance essential. For anyone short on counter space or looking for a more organized setup, the Waihong Roll-Up Dish Rack is a clever, affordable upgrade that makes dish duty much easier.
Number 15. Sosajin Bamboo Cutting Board Set. The Sosajin 2-pack heavy-duty bamboo cutting board set brings both beauty and durability to your kitchen. Made from thick, organic, end-grain bamboo, these boards are strong enough for heavy-duty chopping, yet gentle on your knives. Each board features a non-slip design so they stay steady while you work, whether you're cutting vegetables, carving meat, or prepping fruit. With 2 sizes included, you'll always have the right board for the task, one large for bigger jobs and a smaller one for quick everyday use. The natural bamboo finish adds a warm, eco-friendly touch to your kitchen, and the smooth surface is easy to clean and maintain. Lightweight yet durable, they resist deep cuts and last for years. Perfect as a housewarming gift or a kitchen essential, this cutting board set combines functionality, safety, and timeless style for home cooks at any level. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.